Johnny Lightning unboxings continue. Well, it looks like we're opening up Classic Gold Series. And first up, we've got a 73 Pontiac Grand Am in gold and olive. Very nice. Next up, we've got a White Lightning 72 Pontiac Firebird. Now that's sweet. Definitely not Anaconda Gold, but next up, we've got a 2003 Ford Mustang in Torch Red. Oh, here we go. That's sharp. And a 1950 Chevrolet 3100 pickup in straight white. That's a nice truck. Gorgeous. Little red interior. Next up, we've got the 76 Dodge Tradesman van in custom mint green. It's a pretty cool van with the hitch on the back. Pretty nice. And then next up, I think this is the last one in the series. We've got the 79 International Scout 2 in custom dark blue metallic. That's a pretty cool casting right there. White roof, solid. And there's the set with that White Lightning. Pretty solid set all around. Thanks for watching.